past perfect continuous. This tense is used to express those actions which took place in past for certain period of time, for small period or for larger period. Structure of this sentences of this tense are subject plus had plus been, VING form of the verb plus object plus for or since and then time, as we have done in present perfect continuous. The only difference here is use of had. In present perfect continuous we use has or have. Here we use had irrespective of the subject. We use had for any subject. For example, I had been. Been must be used. I had been singing for 1 hour. He had been sleeping since 3 p.m. You had been cooking food since morning. In this way, we frame sentences. Now we have to make negative sentences. For that we will use not here. I had not been singing for 1 hour. He had not been sleeping since 3 p.m. You had not been cooking food since morning. If we want to make interrogative, we use had in the beginning. Had I been singing for 1 hour? Had he been sleeping since 3 p.m.? Had you been cooking food since morning? In this way, we can make positive, that is affirmative, negative or interrogative sentences. Now, for practice, all of you have to make 5 sentences of affirmative, 5 negative and 5 interrogative. I am going to give here some sentences for practice. I dash been dash drive car dash afternoon, or 1 p.m. we can write here. Second, you dash 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 paint the wall dash 2 hours. 3, he dash 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 write. We have to use proper form of write here. Letters 3 hours. These 3 sentences along with those that I have given.